In this video, we will demonstrate how to import employee details and, if applicable, year-to-date figures from IRIS Payroll Business into BrightPay. Please note, if you are using IRIS Payroll Basics, the export of employee data is not facilitated within this software, and a manual setup must be completed in BrightPay instead. First, within your IRIS software, you'll be given the option to export your employee information to a CSV file. To do this, simply click File, Import Export, and Export Data. Next, you must set up a new data structure. Click Add, then enter a name for this structure, for example, Export Employees. Within the Details tab, select the location where you would like to save your file to by using the Browse button. Under File Type, select comma-separated CSV and All for employee selection. Next, within the Fields tab, select the employee items you wish to export to CSV. If you are migrating to BrightPay at the start of the tax year, this will simply be the fields relating to your employee's personal information. If you are migrating to BrightPay in the middle of the tax year and wish to bring across your employee's year-to-date figures, also ensure that you select the fields relating to the employee's cumulative pay information to facilitate this. When ready, click Export to complete the export of your employee details and, if applicable, their mid-year cumulative pay information. If you have not yet installed the BrightPay software, this can be done by selecting the Try Buy option on the BrightPay website and click on the designated Download button for the version you require. Follow the on-screen instructions accordingly to complete the download. Once downloaded, open BrightPay and select New Employer to set up your employer file. If you are migrating to BrightPay at the beginning of the tax year, select the option Start at the beginning of the tax year. If you are migrating to BrightPay mid-year, select Continue partway in the tax year. Enter your employer details accordingly, and at the prompt, save your employer file to a location of your choice. Once you have your employer file set up and opened, simply click File, Import Export Data, and Import Employees from a CSV file. Browse to the location of your employee CSV file, select this and press Open. For each column, choose the employee data it represents, and ignore any columns and uncheck any rows you do not wish to be imported. If you select the option to continue partway through the tax year, you will also be given the option to import your employee's mid-year cumulative pay information. When ready, click Import. Your employee data will now be imported and can now be accessed through the Employees tab. If you have migrated to BrightPay mid-year, any mid-year cumulative pay information imported in via your CSV file can also be viewed here in each employee's mid-year totals section. Please note, we recommend that all employee details are reviewed before processing any payroll to ensure information imported in is correct and applicable for the tax year in question. When ready, click the Payroll tab to commence processing payroll.